Happy Friday! It's time for our comprehension test. So before we get started, grab that Skinny Journeys book and open up to page 127 and read the story Gus Takes the Train. I'm going to ask you to press pause in a second, and when you do that, you can go get your Skinny book and read Gus Takes the Train all by yourself. Okay, go ahead and press pause. All right. Now see if you can look in your work bag for the Gus Takes the Train Lesson 5 comprehension test. Maybe a caretaker printed it off for you again too. If you can't find a paper copy, find a blank sheet of paper and label it 1 through 10, and you can put A, B, or C for the first bubble, second bubble, or third bubble for each of the questions. Okay? Now remember, if I go too fast or move on to the next problem before you're ready, just press pause until you're caught up. All right, number 1. Where does the story Gus Takes the Train take place? On a jet, on a bus, or on a train? Choose one. Number 2, who is the story mostly about? Who is that main character? Gus and Peg, Peg and a bug, or Gus and a bug? Choose one. Number 3, what takes place right at the start of the story, at the very beginning? Gus runs with a big bag. Gus cannot hold his cup. Gus plays with many kids. What happens at the very beginning? Choose one. You can flip to the next page. Number 4, who helps Gus with his bag? Peg, the kids, the conductor. Who helps Gus with his bag? Number 5, what takes place right after Gus and Peg sing and play? So you can go back in your story and find where Gus and Peg are playing and see what happens right after. Gus hops on the train. Peg holds the cup for Gus. The conductor takes the big bag. What happens right after they sing? Does he hop on the train? Does Peg hold a cup for Gus? Or does the conductor take the big bag? Number 6, where does the train go? Farm, zoo, or park? Choose one. Number 7, how does Gus feel at the very end of the story? Good, mad, or sad? Number 8, how do you know Gus is a made-up character? He is a cat. His name is Gus, or he pulls a big bag. Which one of those things make it silly that he is talking? He is a cat, his name is Gus, or he pulls a big bag? Number 9. Which of these story events could not be real? A cat pouring a drink. Many kids sitting on a train. A conductor helping with a bag. Which one of those could not be real? Choose one. And last one, number 10. What helps you know this story could not be real? Is it the art and the pictures? Is it the title, Gus Takes the Train? Or is it the setting, a train? Which one of these is the most not real? The art, so the pictures of Gus and Peg playing. The title, Gus Takes the Train. Or the setting, a train. Which one of those is silly? If you are not done yet, press rewind or listen to the test again so that you can answer all 10 questions.